So, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, may I call Keziah to lead us a short prayer. So, good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon. Miss Cousin. Okay.
So this is the chapter 19, and our topic is all about athletic injuries and psychology. So when you say psychology, what comes in your mind, Miss Lagura? What comes in your mind when you hear the word psychology?
Psychology is something related to mental capacity.
You have the point.
Okay, so another.
Yes, Isaiah? Okay, thank you. What about Mr. Kevin Ardonia?
Psychology.
Okay, thank you. So, thank you.
Very good.
So we are the discussant, Peter Espinosa and me, your Jolly Carmela. So, our discussions, yes. Injury, the term injury means trauma to the body that results in the least temporary but sometimes permanent physical disability and inhibition of motor function. So when we say injury, it is our trauma. Like for example, in playing sports, so diba, we can by causing trauma we get injury. Diba, Kevin?
Yes.
Oh, yes, sa volleyball, diba, once matroma ta, so magkakos na tao, baliktad. Basta mo na to siya. Oo. So, in injuries, these are physical factors. Yes.
Physical factors such as muscle imbalances, high-speed collisions, overtraining, and physical fatigue are the primary causes of exercise and sport injuries.
So, of course, physical factors is nakadinhaang atong physical over fatigue. Di ba, pag once we exercise more, it can cause injury. Di ba, Arsenal?
Yes!
Oh, yes. Another is the social factors. Yes? Isa to? Social factors, social reasons that also being cited as potential cause of athletic injury. One such factors is athletes' perception that playing with a pain and injury is highly valued in American society according to Malcolm 2006. So, di ba, sa social, so di ba, makakos mo siya sa injury is because of ganang ma-pressure na kita mo. So, di ba, sa volleyball, Kevin? Sa volleyball, di ba, sa social, di ba, of course, pag naana mo sa kanang tingduwa, so di ba, pag gamay tao mo, like kanong matroma mo, tapos pag white cheers, so di ba, mo rin makaway gana, so, that is one of the social factors. Next is psychological factors. Can you read, Miss you?
I miss you.
Sport psychologists Jean Williams and Mark Anderson
Ay,
have helped clarify the role that psychological factors play in athletic injuries. Shows a simplified version of their model. In this model, the relationship between athletic injuries and psychological factors centers on stress.
Of course, our psychological can cause our psychology can cause also injury. It is because if kanang kitang murag mataranta na mo,
yes!
mataranta na mo pag magduwa, so nagamit mo sa inyo, huna-huna, what if mapilipin ko, what if minana, so that's the cause, makakause is job injury sa atong
Yes.
Yes!
stress in turn that probably all injury. So, once ma-stress that, it can cause injury.
Makadisturbo sa good sa ato.
Makadisturbo, daghan na din pang naon, napasidya, wala si
Ang
Dya.
duwa. Oo,
Ang duwa, for example, nag-away mo si John Jorlab, of course, ma-stress ka. Kay, di na ka makafocus.
makafocus.
Kay,
Oo.
nag-away mo sa imong
Oo.
Jorlab.
Oo.
Yes! Di ba pag mag-away o mag-ubang, so di ba dapat inyong i-motivate inyong mga Jorlab. Kay para, hindi maprang-prang sa tunga.
Correct. Ah.
So, personality factors. Yes, from the word personality. Yes.
Personality traits are among the first psychological factors to be associated with athletic injuries.
Okay, our own personal can cause also stress. That is because our stress is to start from you, from us, from yourself. So all you need to do is to focus yourself. You need to focus yourself. You need to yes, focus and kay para dili mo ma-distract sa mga kuan, sa mga Reynan, di ba?
Yes!
Dili ang ma-distract pag magduha kang
Badminton!
there we go. So dapat personality factors ka na mga Reynan, ka na mga problema nga imong gituan, dapat imo si Jang mga na.
Stress levels. Ako ba ka?
Stress level of Lisa.
Stress levels. Measures of these stresses focus on major life changes, such as losing a loved one, moving to a different town, getting married, or experiencing a change in economic status.
So these are the stress that cause into our life or into ourselves. First is losing of loved ones. So diba, isa ni sa maka-stress sa atong kaugalingon, sa atong
Yes.
pamilya, sa inyong uyab, o unsa ba na, moving to a different town. So diba, if naa ka sa place nga, hayahay ka ra or naa ka sa cities, tapos mo ali ka sa province, so of course, dili ka makakuan sa inyong lawas kay ang skin. O diba? Og naa ka sa
Na-expose ka po
Oh.
ako sa light.
economic status, our paano ba sa word siya. So dapat, stress level, so dapat we need to cope that kind of stress.
Ako, Day.
Oh,
Relationship between stress and injury. Understanding why athletes who have high stress in life are more prone to injury can significantly help you in designing effective sports medicine programs that deal with stress reactions and injury prevention.
okay, thank you, Miss Divina Prasha. So relationship between stress and injury. So di ba pag once ma-stress ka, nakakuan ka sa taog mga injury kay dili ta makahunahon na og sakto, it is because we are stressed. Di ba? Nicole? Yes! Through the stress that we think in ourselves, it can cause injury in our physical, yes, mental, psychology, motus job. So dapat we need to on ourselves, we need to relax or we need
To compose yourself.
we need to take time to yourself kay para dili ka ma-stress o na-stress ka sa imong uyab. Bahala na si John. Bahala.
So next is attentional disruption. Let me read Mr. Raymond. Attentional disruption. One promising is that stress disrupts an athlete's attention by reducing peripheral attention by Williams, Donovan, and Anderson, 1991. Thus, a football quarterback under great stress might be prone to injury because he does not see a charging defender rushing from his offside.
So what is your opinion or perspective of this?
If you are stressed, you are prone to injury. Because you know why? Kapag stress, tense ka, mahadlok ka sa imong environment so sa mga kalaban. Kapag stress ka, bro, yes, ma-pressure ka, bro ka ng, bali, for example, nagdulang ka running, nagkulbaan ka na, sa nang adituanan, ninuhon ka, gikulbaan, na-stress ka, kaya hapit na ka maksa, na tapilok ka. Oo na, prone dyan ka sa injury kapag we are dealing with stress.
So for example, nga rin, tama itong laong ni Reynan. So nga rin is, for example, is football. So we all know that football is a team sports, right? So if you are competitive enough na gusto mo gayud maka-goal, is maningkamot ka gayud na maka-goal. So ini siya is yamitan sa sobra nimo ka competitive or sobra nimo ka determined na mo kadto, ya stress na ko na ay gusto ko maka-goal. Tapos ito na time is wala kang makasayod na yaong bayay kalaban sa imo, likod amo to niya, kuan ka, murag ya sakdok ka niya. That's makakos siya ng injury sa imo katungod kay gusto niyo maka-goal, wala na kang makasayod na yaong bayay opponent, ya pasinod na sa imo. Gets? So can you read? Increased muscle tension, Miss IC.
Increased muscle tension. High stress can be accompanied by considerable muscle tension that interferes with normal coordination and increases the chance of injury by Smith et al. 2000.
So, if you are stressed, kung mangulog na bitaw kitayon, gusto higad na ito nakadaog, kay gusto lagi ako ingana. So, may tendency na ang imong muscles is maghigot bitaw siya, kadungod sa kakumba, ingana din. Yung example yun sa mga harness, or yun may mga badminton. So, yun na ito pag smash ni mo is, yung mangusog ka din, ano yung muscle, murag mabira siya, may straighten siya, ingana bitaw. So, amo yung siya increase. So next is, can you read Miss Kimberly?
Psychological base for injury. In addition to stress, sports psychologists working with injured athletes have identified certain attitudes that predispose players to injury. Rotella and Lima, 1986, observed that attitudes held by some coaches such as act to and always give 100%, or if you're injured, you're worthless, can increase the probability of athlete injury.
So, in your opinion, Miss Regine, mutuo ba ka na maka-cause ng stress if ang imo coach di na pressure ka, dapat makadaog ka. Nga na kayo. So, yes, Miss Regine. Because it's stated here that I've observed that attitudes held by coaches such as act though and always give 110%. Or if you're injured, you're worthless. So tama ba ini na maka-cause siya ng stress sa isa ka athletes?
For me, yes, I can call stress. Why? Because dili siya, kung sa dili sakto na pamaagi nimo, i-pressure ang imo athlete. Of course, dili sa gayon dapat na imo siya i-pressure ng pinakaw yun. Yan, like for example, pinakalan mo ba uno pinakalan dapat makakadaog ka. Dili yan siya sakto. So, as a coach, dapat siguro ang iyang kung kay mag-apply siya ng mga training strategies na para mas makatabang sa dili sa in a way na dapat pressure siya through in a wrong way siguro. Dapat apply siya ng mga strategies na makatabang siya ang dito para
So for you, Christian May, what is the disadvantage and advantage of the coaches of saying if you're injured, you are worthless? Disadvantage or advantage? Worthless.
Well, for me, if I am the athlete, pag ilon ko sa ako coach na kung injured ko, I guess it's kuan disadvantage kay masakitan mo gud ka, ma-hurt ka, tas makadugog negative. So, ang ending ana nga, ay kalain ni coach, mahiubos ka sa imuhang coach, kay giinan niya ginana nga. Pwede na magpunta na kung injured ka, pwede ka magpa-check, ipahuway ang imuhang injured na kuan, or tiil, or ano ba, hanggang sa maulian ka, tapos magpadayon na dahil ka sa imuhang kuan, training or what.
So, may makadugang.
Kuan, mas dugay siya madayaw, kay di sa siya mamotivate.
So, if you are a coaches, you should always consider na ano yung mga players, human na sab siya. Dili lang siya na pag ma-injured, why na niya kapuslanan, no? Dapat, ibaw kita ng coaches na once ma-injured, tagaan nato siya ng time to relax, tagaan nato siya ng time to heal, kay ang players, kamot sab sila na makadaog. So, ingana siya psychological based explanation for injured. Okay. Yes, Mr. Olivia. Wala Mr.
So, okay po siya ang kuhan. Once nga, so if you're the coach, tapos na kay estudyante or na kay athletes nga na-injured, so it is okay to kuhan. Mahulayan yun yung mga athlete kay alam mo kung sumi mo siya nga. Kaya ni mo na, yung nagkiyang-kiyang na, example, kibali sa athletics, sa dagat, tapos kumbaga nagka-tramsang ni mo ang athletes or naunsa ba siya, alam mo papadayon pa ni mo siya dagat. So ikaw po lang responsible kung maunsa na siya dito, kung mamatay. Kibali, makuha na siya dito, so ikaw lang na mahimong sadaan, kaya ganun ipapugos mo nimo, madali naman niya kaya, di ba? Tapos, ikaw po sa na coach, tapos nakait na injured nga athlete. So, is it okay ba nga kanang ipapuan siya, di ba, daily?
So, thank you. So, next is kindly read Mr. Emmanuel
Answer.
and explain.
Act on top and give 110%. Slogans such as go hard or go home, okay, no day, do for the burn, I think the 110% effort orientation many coaches promote.
So, ang mga lang naukaina na if you're a coaches, dapat ani mo ihatag na advice or daong pa-motivation sa imo ang athletes. Dapat yaon hibaw ka na makamotivate sa ila. Dili haw yaon imo gid sila tagaan makakos na naman siya ng stress. For example, ito, if you are injured, you are worthless. So, dili dapat yaon siya sakto mo. Dapat imo lang mo na dimontar dapat bisan di papil di man galing always do your best ingana kay no matter what happen ingana lang ngayon dili ho yon imo gid sa i-pursue na bisan di na kaya nimo athletes imo gapon siya kung kayo nimo gid puson. Next is Kylie Rin Miss Demontar.
Despite taking physical and psychological precautions, many people engage in vigorous physical activity to sustain injuries. Even in the best staff, best equipped and best supervised programs, injury is inherently a risk.
So, bisan hain diid kita ibutang or bisan uno ng mga activities, injury is always there. Dili gid lang na tungod kay expert na kayo sa butang, expert na kamuduwa ng kuan, expert na kamu mudaan ng mga equipment, dili ka ma-injured. So, yagay tendency na ma-injured ka, especially na yaga-engage kayo ng mga activities. So, una na mga butangan naka-injured, Miss Villadulid. Una na mga butang mga cause ng injury. Again? So, ano yung ma-answer yan to? Okay, tama. So, another, Miss Harley, what are things na maka-cause ng injuries?
Yung mga overtraining,
Overtraining. Another,
Disgrasya.
disgustia. Ano pa? Stress. Ano pa? Ha?
Correct.
Careless. Tama. Kaya dyan mga kuan. Ano pa? Wala na?
waray proper
Waray proper training, waray
Warm up.
waray proper warm up, yun magdalit kanang diretso na yun pag enter ng mga activities, mga kusyanan.
Sab ka na galing.
Dili kayo supportive ang
Execution.
Dili kayo supportive ang mga facilities sa inyong pod.
Oh, tama, isa sa yan siya. Tama, tiger, tama. So next is Henry Miss, yes, De Leon. Miss Emotional Responses.
As they began to examine the psychology of injury in athletes, sports, psychologists speculated that people's reaction to athletic or exercise-related injury was similar to the response of people facing imminent. According to the view, exercisers and athletes have become injured often follow up this stage grief response process by Hardy and Grace, 1990. These stages are first denial, second anger, third bargaining, fourth depression, and fifth acceptance.
So there are 5 stages of responses about emotional responses. So first is denial. So when we are rejected or we are refused, una yung ma-feel. Una yung ma-feel. Arsenal, ano ma-feel mo pag when you are rejected, refused? Sad, di ba? Sad, di ba? Ma-feel nato na dili kita important. Important.
Insecure.
Insecure sa ato kalimutan. Nangadila ako niya gikuan, di pursued. Uno yung kuwang sa ako. So di ba? Next is anger. No, sa kalangot. Sino nga nilangot? May kalangot sa ako. Tinuod sa mga insecure sa mga touch. Next is bargaining. Ano yung bargaining? Master Mandator. What's bargaining?
Kung bargain, eh.
Exchanging.
Dili, sa mga.
Bargaining about 5 stages of grief.
Okay. So, bargaining, kumbaga pa sa emotional responses sa imuhang athletes. So, parang nag-refer na siya sa kanang sa nila exchanging. Kibalik ka na kasukan ka sa imuhang coach, kumbaga ba? There's a trade-off kuan ba? Responses, for example, ikasukan ka sa imuhang coach, tapos ikaw nga, dali na po ka, gamay kang self-esteem, dali na po ka ma-ego. So, pasok ko na yung masapot po ka sa imuhang kalmurag, there's an exchange of kuan.
Kanang mga soft-hearted person na kailangan why mo buot, why mo waray kayo yung kamusta naman sa inyo natin. Madarin siya, masakitan siya, mapos din siya ng emotional damage. And then next is depression or depression. So, sino yung kaging ng depression? Tanan, nakakaging ng depression? So, depression is not, it's not a joke. No, dapat, kung depressed ka sa imong kalingon, dapat nag-share na ko sa imo friends para maka-advise, maka-share ingana, no? So, kay mga ko siya ng death. And acceptance and reorganization. Why are you laughing, Miss Arsenal? Is there something wrong with the face? Next is kindly read Miss Michikai. The last one, I think. No. Number one.
Injury relevant information processing. The injured athlete focuses on information related to the pain of the injury, awareness of the extent of injury.
So 3 general categories of responses. Injury relevant information process. The injured athlete focus on information related to the pain of injury, awareness of extent of injury. So, dapat ibawon mo unahin sa dapit ya injury. What is the conversion at the back? Ani? Na namati ka mo nga ha? Okay, noted. So, next is emotional. Okay, kindly read Mr. Rinan. Number 2, unexplained.
Emotion. Number 2, emotional upheaval and reactive behavior. Once athlete realizes that she is injured, she may become emotionally agitated. So emotional, kapag ibalik ka mo ng mga atleta or mga estudyante, even yung estudyante, kapag ma-injured mo, di ba, murag may emotional ka, di ba, makita ka ng kasakit kay, di ba, dugay na ito, di pa naramdaman na, kuan event. So, dira pa ka na-injured. So, sayang ay ang opportunity na imbis dapat mo compete ka because you are aiming for palarong pambansa, pero sad to know, sad to say, sad to, sa inuanga, na injury man ka, grabe siya ka, emotional devastating.
So, tama siya. May tama ka. Number 3, kindly read Mr. Bahian. Miss Bahian, Mr. Saguchi, magkila ka lang. Bahian. Paano Okay.
Three general categories of responses. 1. Injury-relevant information processing. The injured athlete focuses on information related to the pain of the injury, awareness of the extent of injury. Usaw ka na. 2. Emotional positive outlook and coping. The athlete accepts the injury and deals with it. Initiates positive coping effort, exhibits a good attitude, and is okay.
So, tama. We need to be optimistic. We need to be positive in every daily lives, no? We need to be positive thinking. Kaya kung sige na ko negative, so makakos yan sa stress, no? So dapat positive na kita always. Bisan dili na kaya, salig daga mo kita learning, no? Salig na sa atong life, no? Next is okay, other reactions. Can you read Mr. Carl James?
Birthday boy.
The birthday girl. Yes, can you read this one?
Other reactions. 1. Identify loss. Some athletes who can no longer participate because of an injury have loss of personal identity. That is an important part of themselves is lost, seriously affecting self-concept.
So tama. Sa lang ni Reynan kaina na once ma-injured ang isang athlete, mawara na niya self-confidence, no? Kaya bisan ga-aim siya ga-aim siya na makadaog siya, so yawalan siya ng gana kay tungod kay i-injury siya, no? Next is number 2. Who can read Mr. Cabalet?
Fear and anxiety why injure many athletes.
Where?
Where high levels of fear and anxiety.
So, fear and anxiety. So, makakusab siya ng fear and anxiety. Tama siya pag once ma-injured ang isa ka athlete?
Yes.
Tama. Nakadok na siya. Oo, may anxiety sa iya self. Number 3 is lack of confidence. So, given that inability to practice and complete under deteriorated physical status, athletes may lose confidence after an injury. So, lack of confidence, ang lango gaina, no? Next is performance decrements. So, when we say decrements, is decrease of performance. No, yung kahinay once injured siya. Kaya when you training, when you practice, kay tungod kay, injured siya. So, next is group process. Injury to an athlete can affect group process in a team either negatively or positively. So, especially sa basketball, volleyball, baseball, soccer, mga team sports, once may isa ka athletes na yung injured, ito isa is apektuhan kita nila grupo. Din yung tusap na yung injured, example yun, star player. So, mawara nila shine kaya tungod kay unless star player yung injured. So, also, itong yung injured is ma-concept siya yun, ma-depress or makakus siya ng stress kaya tungod kay guilty siya kay wala na siya makaduwa ito siya na grupo.
Tapos, ang mga rason na pili sila.
Oo, ang mga rason na possible na mapili sila. So, That's it. That's it. Ayaw pa ba yan? Next is time of for adjustment to injury. I will just read because I know you understand, okay? Feeling of anger and confusion. Tama? Obsession with the question of when can return to play. Denial. The injury is not big deal. Number 3 is repeatedly coming back too soon and becoming re-injured. Repeat mood swings, statements indicating that recovery will not occur no matter what is done. Next is thank you. So that's it, everyone. Mag-miss kita. Ay,
Pag-ilagay mo sa kukuan.
that's it, okay? Inside game. Ano yung mo ya-learn, Miss Demontori, sa amo topic? Ano ko, Demontori? Yes. I need 3 kay may kwan siya, oral
Based
participation.
on the presentation, on the report of Ms. Carmentos and Mr. Espinosa, I learned that as an athlete, we cannot likay injury, and there are a lot of factors to cause injury, especially or specifically sa ilo topic which is all about psychologically na factor. O sa psychologically, damo gyapon yung ang factor, pwede ang players itself, pwede ang character, pwede ang coach, o pwede ang social, ang mga tao sa gawas. So in short, ang injury dili dakon sa iya pagka-clumsy ang hinungdan. Damo na factor o i-consider na siya og based sa study maka-apekto gayud ang psychological or mind science about mind or something like that.
Okay, another one. Another one. Another one, Mr. Bonyao. Inside or takeaways.
Injuries sa athletes.
Yes, our topic is ano ko sa front? Sorry. Athletics, injuries, and psychology.
So, of course, we need to learn or we need to have backgrounds or knowledge about athletic injuries. It is because, pag mahibawa na to, of course, syempre, mahibawa kita ako na to pag-treat ng injuries sa mga athletes. Diba? Especially sa before, during, and after the game. So, of course, dapat kita mismo, dapat mahibawa kita ng ways on how to treat them, especially, and ito sa, apil pa, rice method. Wala. Pero, di ba sa ato, very common sa ato as BPED students na dapat may kita on the rice method.
Yes.
Di ba? Kung rice method, additional knowledge lang ang sabihan sa iyan.
Yes.
And, yeah, that's it.
Okay,